Manage your fleet effortlessly with Cargo. Click the icon in the upper left corner to expand the menu. Hover over Navigation and select Fleet. Click Add Unit to get started. Enter the vehicle details, the make, model, year, and VIN. Next, enter the plate number, unit number, color, capacity, and assign a driver. You can also add a connected unit later if needed. Photos and essential documents can be added after clicking Save. To attach photos and documents, click on your saved unit and scroll down. Click the plus button to attach your photo files. For documents, click the drop-down to select the type, such as registration, insurance, or other shareable files. Click the plus button to attach your document, and repeat for any additional files you need. Stop going back and forth, sending all of your docs individually. Simply click Share to send fleet unit information directly to shippers requesting it via email or a text link, and you can even attribute it to an order ID. And you're done. Your unit is now fully saved and documented in one central place.